Sunderland spiral roundabouts A19 north turning right third exit onto the A1231. Route 2. Stay in the left-hand lane, which is now the slip road for the A1231. The big road sign says the right-hand 2 lanes are the A19, the left lane is the A1231. The next sign shows the right-hand lane is for Sunderland A1231, which is our destination. At the roundabout sign, indicate right. Both lanes show A1231 Sund. Remember, given the choice, left is best. We're going to take the third exit A1231 Sunderland. Moving forward, the traffic lights have a time-changing cycle, depending on how heavy the traffic is here. Let's make progress moving into the middle lane. Passing the first exit. As we approach the second exit, we will spiral to the left-hand lane turning right. Stay to the left of the dotted stud line, then indicate left. Approach the next set of traffic lights. Continue indicating left. The traffic lights change, so we make progress onto the A1231. The speed limit here is 50 miles per hour. Cross the next roundabout second exit. Look to the right on approach. Look left, indicate left and make progress up the A1231.